Now, Huawei is not stopping from developing a new powerful flagship model series as P50 series. The dummy units of the upcoming P50 series that were shared on Weibo, spotted by Slash Leaks, shows us the updated rear design originally shared as renders last month by Steve Hemstetter. Now, Huawei has reportedly fitted the smartphone with a 6.3-inch display and in-display fingerprint scanner. We can see very slim bezels and a centered punch hole for selfie camera. It looks real good, by the way. Now, speaking of good things, the back of the Huawei P50 is home to a huge, fat, pill-shaped module, which itself is home to two circular bumps. Well, the camera specs isn't known as of now, but the dummy unit seen suggests that there will be a total of 4 sensors. To my eyes, pretty cool design. Tell me in the comments how you feel about the camera design. It's very safe to say that there will likely be a main sensor, an ultra-wide camera, a telephoto zoom shooter. The fourth camera could be a depth sensor, or maybe a time-of-flight sensor, or maybe a periscope zoom sensor. Now, the Huawei P50 series is expected to announce in June. The range will consist of 3 models: the premium Huawei P50 Pro and P50 Pro Plus, and the standard P50. The big question: what will it run on? HarmonyOS or Android? Now, due to a lack of Google's mobile service support, it's very much rumored that these devices will be the first to ship with latest version of HarmonyOS straight out of the box. Now, if you see closely, the sticker on one of the dummy units says powered by HarmonyOS. Now, that's one of the biggest things, to be honest. But here's the thing: survival for Huawei, at least out of China, is literally impossible even if it has the greatest hardware. And talking about survival, Huawei's European smartphone business has been in the free falls ever since it stopped releasing any devices with GMS support thanks to US trade bans. Now, the latest market data shows that even in China, it's not having a good time either. Manufacturers shipped a combined of 90.7 million smartphones in China between January and March 2021. That's a year-on-year increase of 36% for the period. Now, Huawei used to be the leader in the smartphone business in China, but it's kind of over now. Last quarter, Huawei's smartphone market share in China was 16%, down from over 30% in Q2 2020. If you can't remember, in the same quarter last year, Huawei became the world's biggest smartphone manufacturer, overtaking Samsung. It was a very sweet and short-lived journey. The most US recent trade sanction introduced in mid-September seems to be the reason for Huawei's freefall in China. So what happened actually? The company hasn't been able to receive chips from TSMC or any other suppliers since the sanction came into force. So Huawei is now struggling to manufacture devices. If something doesn't change in the rules, Huawei could soon be forced to stop smartphone shipments entirely. And Oppo, Vivo and Xiaomi will absorb Huawei's shares, which they are already doing. If you don't know, Vivo is now the market leader in China with 24% of market share in Q1 2021. According to Counterpoint Research report, the Zeiss partnership with Vivo boosted its image in China, where HMD is crying in the corner. Now, Oppo followed closely behind Vivo with a 23% market share. Huawei is still the third largest brand by volume, but it's going down every day. Whereas Xiaomi is right behind in the 4th place with a decent 15% market share. Now, Apple is in the 5th position with 30% market share, up from 9% last year, mostly because of the upgrade cycles of iPhones and the launch of iPhone 12 series, which has been hugely successful in almost all regions. So yeah, that's about it. If you guys want to see more episodes like this, please hit the like button, please do subscribe or watch my other videos. Bye and take care.